Here's how to screen record on your iPhone quickly and easily. First, open the Settings app and go to Control Center. Scroll down until you find Screen Recording and tap the green plus icon to add it to your control center. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the control center. You'll see the Screen Recording button there. Just tap it once, and after the 3-second countdown, your iPhone will start recording the screen automatically. If you also want to record your voice or internal audio, press and hold the screen recording button. Then tap the microphone icon to turn it on before starting the recording. While recording, you'll see a red indicator at the top of the screen showing that screen recording is active. To stop recording, tap the red indicator at the top and press stop, or open the control center again and tap the screen recording button. Your screen recording will automatically save inside the Photos app, where you can watch, edit, or share it. If screen recording is not working, make sure your iPhone storage is not full and update your device under Settings. Then tap on General, and after that, tap on Software Update. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.